if QH comma K is the foot of the perpendicular if QH comma K is the foot of the perpendicular from P x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then h minus x1 by a k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Show that. Okay, what he says, QH comma K is the foot of the perpendicular from P x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. You have to prove this h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 means I am drawing the diagram. Please understand the meaning of the statement. Here P is the x1 y1 and Q is h comma K and this is a line ax plus by plus c. Now this is what we got. Now you have to prove using this diagram, you have to prove this. Now what is the statement I am writing here? Slope of PQ into slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to minus 1. Why? This is a perpendicular. M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. We know product of the slopes are equal to minus 1. Slope of PQ into slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to minus 1. What is the slope of PQ? We have to use 2-point formula. What is that we have to write? K minus y1 by h minus x1. What is that? K minus y1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Again, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And the slope of the line is what? What is the slope of the line? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Minus a by b is equal to minus 1. So minus minus you can cancel. So what will happen? A into k minus y1, a into k minus y1 is equal to b into h minus x1. So a into k minus y1 is equal to b into h minus x1. Therefore divide here k, divide here k, means b. So k minus y1 by b is equal to h minus x1 by a. So what I have done? I am dividing b here, a here. So k minus y1 by b is equal to h minus x1 by a. You call it as lambda. What is that? This is called lambda. Therefore k minus, I am saying some constant, b lambda, h minus x1 is equal to a lambda. So k is equal to b lambda plus y1 and h is equal to a lambda plus x1. So you got k value, h value. What I have done? Equate to lambda Jason sir, cross multiplication. K is equal to b lambda plus y1, h is equal to a lambda plus x1. Now since Q h comma k is on the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So a into h, b into k plus c is equal to 0. X is replaced by h, y is replaced by k. Therefore ah plus bk plus c. Put the values of h and k. So a into h, h is what sir? A lambda plus x1, b into b lambda plus y1 plus e is equal to 0. A square lambda plus ax1, b square lambda plus by1 plus c is equal to 0. So take the lambda common, a square plus b square, then put this value in the bracket, ax1 plus by1 plus c. So what I have done? Slope of PQ into slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to minus 1. So what is the slope of the points? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 minus a by b is equal to minus 1. Minus minus will get cancelled. then a into k minus y1 is equal to b into h minus x1, k minus y1 by b is equal to h minus x1 by a is equal to lambda. So k minus y1 is equal to b lambda, h minus x1 is equal to a lambda. So k is equal to b lambda plus y1 and h is equal to a lambda plus x1. Therefore h and k is underlined, so ah plus bk plus c. So ah plus bk plus c. So put the values of h and k. What is h value? A lambda plus x1, b into b lambda plus y1 plus c. Open the bracket, a square lambda plus ax1 plus b square lambda plus by1 plus c. So a lambda, if you take common, a square plus b square, then this will come. Therefore lambda into is equal to minus of plus c, right? Therefore lambda is equal to by a square plus b square. What is the lambda value we got? I am dividing here. So lambda value is minus of x1. Therefore h minus x1 by a, here I am putting here, h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b is equal to lambda. So we got the lambda value. So I am rewriting this by b is equal to minus of ax1 by1 plus c. h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b b square plus c. Okay, which is required to prove. So here use this concept. This is called foot of the perpendicular. Okay, foot of the perpendicular. Okay, let us see next one. Next, if is the image of P x1 y1 for ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then show that by a square plus b square, right? Now what is that he says? H comma k is the image of this. Okay, now so this is a P point, this is the image. Now again, slope of PQ, slope of AX plus BY plus C is equal to minus 1. Same concept again. So what is the slope of PQ? K minus Y1 by H minus X1 into minus A by B is minus 1. So minus minus will get cancelled. A into K minus Y1 is equal to B into H minus X1. Observe here, up to here it is the same. Therefore, H minus X1 by A is equal to lambda. H minus X1 by A is equal to K minus Y1 by B is equal to lambda. Therefore, H minus X1 is equal to A lambda, B lambda. Okay. Okay. So H minus X1 is equal to A lambda, K minus Y1 is equal to B lambda. So H is equal to A lambda plus X1, K is equal to B lambda plus Y1. Now look at here. Since R is the midpoint of P comma Q, R is the midpoint of P and Q, which is given by, what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus H by 2, Y1 plus K by 2. What is the, how this has come? I have applied X1 plus X2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is clear now, and it is on the line 0. So a into plus c, open the bracket, ah by 2 by1 plus bk by 2 plus c. So what I have done, ax1 plus ah by 2, by1 plus bk by 2 plus c. LCM is 2. Plus 2c is equal to 0. Therefore, ax1 plus h plus by1 plus bk plus 2c is equal to 0. Put the values. Put h comma k values. Okay, so a plus a into h is what, sir? A lambda plus x1 plus by1. B into k is what, sir? B lambda plus y1 plus 2c is equal to 0. ax1 a square lambda plus ax1 by1 plus b square lambda plus by1 plus 2c is equal to 0. ax1 2 times, sir, 2ax1 by1 and by1 2by1 plus 2c means c. What I have done, to ax1 repeated, so 2 times, then by1 plus by1 2 times and 2c. So I have taken 2 common, so ax1 plus by1 plus c. Then take lambda common, a square plus b square. So what I have done, ax1, here ax1 is there, 2ax1, by1 plus by1 2by1 and 2c. So 2 I have taken common. Therefore, lambda into a square plus b square is equal to c. Therefore, lambda is equal to by a square plus b square. We got this value. So what is the lambda value? We got. In the previous one also we got lambda, but without 2. Now here 2 is there. Therefore, h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times of right. So here it is called image proof, sir. Okay, one is foot out perpendicular, other one is image. Okay, many times he has given for 7 marks in the final examination. Please go through. If you got any doubts, you can put in a group, sir. You can get your doubts clarified. Right. Now based on these 2 proofs, we will do some problems. Find the foot of the perpendicular from minus 1 comma 3 to the line 5x minus y minus 18 is equal to 0. Okay, or that minus 1 comma 3 to the line. So solution, given x1 y1 is minus 1 comma 3, what is the a value? 5, what is the b value? Minus 1, c value minus 18. So x coefficient, y coefficient constant, a value, b value, c value. Therefore, formula h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b minus of plus c, a square plus b square. H minus x1 is minus of minus plus 1 by 5 is equal to k minus y1, y1 is 3 by b is minus 1 is equal to minus of ax1, 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 3 minus of minus plus. Here observe, here putting the values, sir. ax1 5 into minus 1 minus 5, b into y1, so minus 1 into 3 minus 3 minus of minus plus. A square means what, sir? 25 plus 1. So h plus 1 by 5, k minus 3 by minus 1. So this becomes minus 8 minus 10, because 18 minus 8 is 10 with minus sign by 26. Therefore, h plus 1 by 5, is equal to minus 10 by 26. Sorry, here plus C, no, minus 18. So this becomes minus 26. 21, 26, so minus of minus is plus. Here C is minus 18, sir. Here what is the C value? Minus 18. So minus 18 will come. Minus 5, minus 3, minus 18. So 26 will come. 26 by 26. So how much it is? 1. And similarly, K minus 3 by minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, H plus 1 is equal to 5. K minus 3 is equal to minus 1. H is equal to 4. K is equal to minus 1 plus 3, 2. So K is equal to 2. So what is the foot of the perpendicular? FP means foot of the perpendicular. 4 comma 2. Right? Next one more problem we'll say. Find the foot of the perpendicular from 3 comma 0 to the line 5x plus 12y minus 41 is equal to 0. Again, formula h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b by a square plus b square. Here a value 5, b value 12, c value minus 41, x1 y1 is 3 comma 0. So let us put h is, we do not know, x1 is 3 by a value 5, k minus y1 is 0, b value 12 is equal to minus of ax1 5 into 3 15, by1 0 minus 41 by a square plus b square 25 plus 144. So this becomes h minus 3 by 5, k by 12 is equal to 26, because 15 minus 41 minus 26, minus of minus become plus. 15 minus 41 minus 26, so minus sign is there, plus 26. So how much it becomes? 169. Now h minus 3 by 5 is equal to k by 12 is equal to, I am cancelling by 13 tables are, 13 2s are, 13 13s are. So 2 by 13, I have cancelled by 13 table. Therefore h minus 3 is equal to 10 by 13, k is equal to 24 by 13. What I have done? Cross multiply. Therefore h is equal to 10 by 13 plus 3. Therefore h is equal to 13 3s are, LCM is 13. So 10 plus 39, which is 49 by 13. So h is equal to what? 49 by 13. And what is the k value we got? 24 by 13. Right? So values we got. Next, find the feet of the perpendiculars find the feet of the perpendiculars from origin to x plus y is equal to 4, x plus 5y is equal to 26, and 15x minus 25y, 27y is 424. Now what is the meaning of this? 3 bits are there. Okay, solution. Let h1 k1 is foot of the perpendicular for x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. What I have done? X plus y minus 4 is equal to, I have done x1, h1, k1. And what is the point he has given? Origin. So this is x1, y1. The formula is h minus x1 by a, k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of c by a square plus b square. H minus x1 is 0, a is what, sir? A is 1, b is 1, c is equal to 4. 1 is equal to k minus 0 by b is 1 is equal to minus of ax1 means a into x1 is 0 plus 0 plus c is what, sir? Minus 4 by a square plus b square, 1 plus 1. Therefore h minus h by 1 is equal to k by 1 is equal to 4 by 2. So h by 1, k by 1 is equal to 2. So h is equal to 2, that is h1 k1. Okay, h1 k1, right? h1 is 2, k1 is 2. So what is the first one we got? h1 k1 is 2 comma 2. Next, let h2 k2 is the foot of the perpendicular for x plus y minus 26 is equal to 0. Observe here, we are bringing this 26, this sides are always, it should be equal to 0. This you have to remember. Okay, then what is the a value? 1, b value 1, c value minus 26. x1 y1 is 0 comma 0. Right, now h minus 0, that is h2 by k, a is what sir? 1, k2 minus 0 by 1 is equal to minus of ax1 0 plus 0 minus 26 by a square plus b square 1 plus 1. So h2 by 1 k2 by 1 is equal to 26 by 2. So h2 by 1 k2 by 1 is equal to 13. So what is the h2 value? 13. k2 is equal to 13. So what is the second point? 13 comma 13. Again, let h3 k3 is the foot of the perpendicular for, what is the last equation? 15x minus 27y minus 424 is equal to 0. Okay, so again x1y, a is equal to 15, b is equal to minus 27, c is equal to minus 424. Therefore x1 y1 is 0 comma 0 by a, k minus y1 by b is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So h minus s3, I will write s3 minus 0 by a value is what sir? 15, k3 minus 0 by b is what sir? Minus 27, minus of ax1 0 plus 0 plus c is minus 424. A square means 15 square plus minus 27 square. Here observe here, h3 by 15, k3 by minus 27 is equal to 424. 15 square is 225, it is 729. 27 square is 729. If I add them, 4, 5, 9, 954. So h3 by 15 is equal to k3 by minus 27, 424. Cancel with the two tables sir, 212. If we cancel here, 477. Okay, then which table will go? 212 by 4. Okay, now no table will go. So h3 is equal to 212 into 15 by 477. Then k3 is equal to minus 27 into 212 by 477. No other cancellation will come. So what will happen here? 212 into 15 by 477. Then minus 227 into 212 by 47. You don't need to multiply this. Sometimes he is giving only last out of 10 years he has given only one time for 4 marks sir. So he will give you 3 parts. So first one h1 k1, next one h2 k2, next h3 k3. Here there is no need of any simplification. You can leave an answer like this. So here you have to find out. So here we are using the method foot of the perpendicular concept. Okay, let us see next problem.